Online businesses can benefit from having their own sales team. The right salespeople can bring new customers and orders to your store, but tracking their sales and commissions can become a complex task. With 3D Card's Sales Rep Tracking module, you can add sales representatives directly in your admin panel and set up their unique commission rate percentage. Existing staff users from your store can be linked to a sales rep profile to give them access to your admin panel while having role-specific permissions. As your team processes sales in the back end of your store, the customers they bring and orders they enter will automatically be assigned to them. By setting up ownership of customers and orders, other members of the sales will be restricted from accessing the information. And with the built-in report, you can easily process commissions and keep track of your sales department's performance. Take your online store sales to the next level with 3D Card's Sales Rep module.